how to create own hashtag for Instagram. The first thing what you need to do when you get into a post section for your site, which is right here, and you just simply go take the right point to your caption, and from there you can add a hashtag. And for example, if you want to create your own hashtag, if you go and type try, you're gonna see that try with that hashtag has so many millions for public posts. But if you go try.com, and you can see that there is no hashtag from that. Or simply if you go try now, and for example go for Malaxy, and you're gonna see that no one has got that hashtag. This is why you have got and take over that hashtag, and then when you get back again and when you type that hashtag again, you're gonna see that you have just one post from this hashtag, which is your hashtag.